Well, hello boys and girls. It's been a while. It's not that I've disappeared or not doing anything, it's just not a lot happening. But it's Christmas time, so if you guys follow me, you know last year we did lost packages for Christmas, trying to get everybody together and just have fun. This year, done something slightly different, and all that is in these two boxes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox whatever's in there, and I'm gonna try and get as many people together, and we're having a lot of fun. And in this video I can also update you on a few other things that are going on, if you guys are interested, that is. All right, let's unbox these, go from there. All right, this is super easy unboxing. So all these, that's iron with minimum 90% recycled, so the tape is, I don't know, weird. Boxes, you know. But it doesn't matter, because what matters is the content. And what I bought is these Lunar battle tanks from Menkind. And I bought 8 of these. And what we're gonna do, we just have a massive riot. First, let's unbox one of these. Well, I'm gonna take all of them out of boxes and send the boys pictures and be like, you guys are invited. And by the way, these are not available to buy at the minute anymore, so yeah, you guys probably have to wait till they restock or whatever. It's nothing to do with me, I'm guessing. Well, maybe, because I bought 4 of them, so maybe it's something to do with me as well. Just being greedy. Now let's get rid of these. Only small issue we're having is they're all yellow and red, every single one of them. So, you know, it's one of them. And what we got is, let's see, full function, grip function, we love that around here. Shockproof, automatic mode, and you can actually play a little war with them. And the idea is we're going to try and figure out if we can have all of these running at the same time. We just have to figure out if it's going to be teams of yellow or teams of red, or we're going to mark them, paint them, or whatever. Because we can do a quick spray paint on every wheel and then go, yeah, yours is a blue, yours is a green one, yours is whatever. And yeah, have fun with them. And what's in the box, it's 2 Lunar robots, tanks, and then we got 2 controllers. Now let's try and open it without actually destroying stuff. I'm actually trying to open it from the wrong side, as you do, as you do. There we go. Slide them out like that, and we got how to connect the remote controls, power indicators, this and that, programming, shooting, spray function. Oh, they got spray function. That's gonna be riot. Clean tap water. They take clean tap water. Yeah, that's probably not a good idea. Let's see. Oh, these are cool. Normally you're stuck with zip ties and things like that, you have to cut. But for remotes, that's a good start. Take remotes off with these. And they take 2 AA batteries. I bought loads of them, so we're there. Got a little package here. Let's see what's in there. Probably spares. I don't know. We got a little charger and 2 refill bottles. Oh, we got 2 chargers, so every tank's got a charger. And let's take the second one off as well. locked it. Yep, second one's off, and obviously these ones got zip ties. Yay! Right, I'm gonna go and get something to get zip ties off, and I'll be back. Alright, the zip ties are off, easy enough. One of these, didn't even cut them, so I can reuse them, so yeah, stuck with that. And then I got these little things. Chariot, tank, lot of lights, things like that. Let's see. I probably need a screwdriver. That's how it looks. Quality wise, looks good. Got these little rollers on every single wheel. It's quite cool. That doesn't seem to move, so tank itself moves. The cannon doesn't, by the looks of it. So that's rigid. Little water tank is there, I think. It just comes out like that. You fill it up with water, and this thing shoots water. You're probably going to skip that part to start with. Whoever gets take these home, you know, they can do it later. All right, let's get a screwdriver. Have a look what's inside. Okay, so taking a little cover off. Battery is not connected to start with, but it's easy enough. Just line these, plug it in, and then we got something going on. Let's turn it off for now. Let's turn it off for now. Put that one back in. Do screwdriver action. Where's the screwdriver? Let's just test one to start with. And when I say I bought a ton of batteries, I bought a ton of batteries. Not the cheap ones, but you know, still cost an arm and a leg for what batteries should cost, I think, considering they last about 5 minutes flat. Right. But it should last for a bit. Right, one remote's got batteries. It's a good start. What do you guys reckon? Do I need a guide of how to get it going? Will it go? Oh, we got lights. Green, I like green. Alright. So, yeah, I'll probably need to figure out what's what, but this thing's making noises. That's always a good start. Oh, it just connected itself. And oh, this just goes here, there, and everywhere. Alright. The volume is out. We got that. Oh, that's the button for shooting, I guess. Awesome. Press the 1, 2, 3, so it just does whatever it does. And these ones, forward, backwards. Oh, these control the separate wheels and things like that. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, let's figure it out. I'm gonna put camera somewhere else. Have a little play, I guess. Oh, just hold the camera. I can multitask, can't I? So, it goes sideways as well. That is ridiculous. That's a 1, 2, 3 mode. Yeah, it's literally evasive mode. I love that. Right, so first one's out. That's how it looks. Yeah, fairly simple so far. Now, put batteries in all of them, I think. Or doing one by one. I'm getting everybody else to do all that. And then, yeah, let's make a group chat. Get everybody invited. And set the date for when we're gonna do Christmas Robot Wars. Yeah, that's an idea. Right, hit it again. Like that. Shoot it. So basically when you shoot it, you put some water in there. These things smoke. That one's still kind of lost, so. Yeah? There we go. That says it. Probably.
At least it will be visible.
Yeah, try it again. Do it again. Bam, that's the direct hit. Yeah. Batteries from the get-go last about 5 minutes, so we're already on second charge. And yeah, these things are absolute riot. And you can actually program where it goes to all sorts. Yeah, let's have some more fun with these. Yeah, that is the Lunar battle tanks, Menkind. Good bit of fun. Alright, we're playing and you guys can watch the video.